Today is March 20th, 2024. The total market value of digital currencies is $2.38 trillion, with an increase of minus 0.94%. BTC price $62,945.93, an increase of minus 0.31%. BTC market value is $1,237.56 billion, accounting for 52.2% of the total market capitalization. ETH price is $3,224.12, an increase of minus 0.17%. The market value of ETH is $394.616 billion, and the market value of ETH accounts for 16.3% of the total market value of digital currencies. BNB price $527.27, an increase of 3.98%. SOL price $170.71, increase minus 1.98%. XRP price 59 cents, an increase of 1.94%. BOD price $4,074.66, an increase of 2.13%. ADA price 60 cents, increase minus 0.30%. AVAX price $52.76, increase minus 6.13%. 2025/03/20 Digital Currency Related News. 1. Particle Network releases Modular Layer 1 for chain abstraction and universal accounts. 2. Russia introduces bill to apply money laundering controls to digital ruble transactions. 3. Court orders Binance to hand over comprehensive user data to Nigerian authorities. 4. Slurf and LBank launch donation campaign. Over 2,600 SOL raised in 12 hours for compensation initiative. 5. Goldman Sachs sees more institutions diving into crypto, says Bitcoin ETFs prompt a psychological shift. 6. Wolf of All Streets warns Bitcoin market could cool off massively. 7. Salvadoran press raises doubts on piggy bank funds ownership. 80% of BTC came from Bitfinex. 8. BlackRock aims to launch tokenized investment fund, seeks SEC nod for BUIDL fund on Ethereum. 9. Luxor and Bitnomial roll out hashrate futures for U.S. market ahead of Bitcoin halving. 10. Wu-Tang's Ghostface Killah to release exclusive music collection on Bitcoin blockchain. 11. New crypto to watch. VR Project 5Tscape raises over $1.5 million. 12. Solana announces recommendations and measures to deal with network congestion. 13. GBTC experiences its largest daily drain yet, nearly 239,000 BTC gone in under 70 days. 14. Wheeler launches Dharma AMM to propel Bitcoin into the decentralized finance spotlight. 15. Crypto Caverns industry-first hashrate guarantee program promotes transparency in crypto mining. 16. Fidelity incorporates staking in spot Ethereum ETF, offering to boost funds income. 17. Analysts see gold reaching $2,600 per ounce amid strong market demand. 18. Crypto lender Genesis agrees to $21 million SEC fine, funds to await bankruptcy claim settlements. 19. Bitcoin.com announces integration of Verse token with BitPay for expanded payment options. 20. MicroStrategy expands Bitcoin holdings, acquires 9,245 BTC after successful convertible note sale. 21. Bitcoin falls to sub-$63K as market awaits Federal Reserve's next move. 22. Crypto entities that neglect AI and machine learning investment will lag behind, warns Binance CTO.